Hello everyone, today we are going to cook beef rendang, Indonesia's favorite dish. Here's the list of our ingredients and we cannot forget our halal beef. Next, we chop our onions, then our shallot and garlic. Then we mash our lemongrass and cut our bay leaf and kaffir. Today, we are using Indofood Rendang seasoning, which we can buy at any Asian market and also on Amazon. Here, we are using about a half teaspoon of turmeric, white pepper, mushroom bouillon, and slap your mama seasoning. If you like it spicy like me, you can also add a couple of Thai chili peppers. Add olive oil to medium-sized pan. Heat on medium-high. Then begin adding your ingredients and seasoning, stirring as you go. Here I'm adding the Indofood Rendang mix. Now I'm adding the beef. Then I add 200 ml of filtered Texas lake water and 1.5 tablespoon of Thai coconut cream. Then simmer for an hour and 30 minutes. I will stir occasionally. Then we will check the beef for tenderness. Once the beef is tender, your rendang is ready to enjoy.